How to find a job in another country via LinkedIn. So, one of the biggest challenges that expats have shared with me, besides feeling lonely and not having friends and family around them, is finding employment. And today I'm going to show you how you can leverage LinkedIn to help you find jobs either in person or remote in the country you have moved to, or the country you're planning to move to, or remotely. So let's get started. Let me share my LinkedIn screen so I can walk you through the process. And while I'm doing that, let me introduce myself. My name is Naina Kaputi. I'm the founder and CEO of the Expat Woman, and I'm also a LinkedIn coach. So you log into LinkedIn and then you go to the home page where your feed is, and in the top right hand corner you see jobs. So you click on jobs. Okay, and then in the left hand side of the menu, you see preferences. So click on preferences and you see my interests, open to work, job alerts, AI trainer project alerts, pay. We're going to just focus on the first section right now, the open to work. So you click on it and you can add a title. So whatever job you're looking for, maybe you want to find a job as a project manager. So you select project manager. If you have more than one title, you can search. Now, do you want to find jobs on site, hybrid? You could also add remote under location types. Now, maybe it's a remote job, so you're open to different areas, or maybe you are moving to Paris and you want to find an inside job in Paris, so you want to be able to go into the office or maybe hybrid. So you search Paris. Now you just have to keep this in mind. The location, there's two sections for location. One is locations on site, and then there's another locations remote. So when you're adding remote, just make sure that those are the locations you want to work remotely in, and this is the locations you want to work on site in. And then of course, immediately I'm actively applying, flexible I'm casually looking, and it also gives you the employment types: full-time, part-time, contract, internship, temporary, and then the visibility. So if you only want recruiters to see that you are looking for a job in a specific city, country, what kind of job, what job title, etc., then you select the recruiters only. Say you're working for a job in a specific company in a specific city or country, and you don't want your employers to know that you're planning to move abroad, that you've already started job searching, you're looking maybe for a remote job. So if you click on recruiters only, LinkedIn will limit it to people using LinkedIn Recruiter, and they will take steps not to show recruiters at your current company. They can't guarantee complete privacy, but they'll do their best. That's why it's important for you to make sure you have your company listed on your LinkedIn profile, so that then LinkedIn knows you're currently working at that company and they won't show to recruiters at that company. Now, if you're open to anyone seeing that you're looking for a job, where LinkedIn ads are open to work, you can see this in the right hand corner, the little green band around part of my profile. So if you select all LinkedIn recruiters, includes recruiters and people at your current company, then it will add this open to work photo frame. So let's look at it. Oh, I have to select a location for, because I selected remote. Let me remove that for now. So I'll do save. And then it says to show that you're open to work, you need to allow in-mail messages. Recruiters use in-mail to search job opportunities. I'm not looking for a job. I'm just doing this just to demonstrate to you how it's done. So for now, I'll turn it on, and then I'll do start a post to notify your network. So 100K members are getting support by posting that they're open to work. So I could let people know I'm open to work. So let's see what happens when it says next. So if you click next, it will tell people that you're open for to work. It's telling people in a post. So LinkedIn creates a post based on what you've added in your preference section I showed you, and then it'll create this post for you. You can tweak it, and you can, it even says which countries, cities you're looking for a job in. So I think it's really Cool. And then you can post it. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm going to discard it. So you can see LinkedIn added the open to work on my profile photograph. Once I'm done with this video, I'm going to change it. So, because I don't want recruiters reaching out to me, but I just wanted to show you this strategy. The important thing is to make sure you have optimized and completed your LinkedIn profile. So people come to your profile, they know, because you might have written the job titles you want to find jobs in, but if your current profile does not showcase your expertise, your experience, your skills, your talent, then recruiters are going to have a quick look at your profile and then move on. So make sure you optimize your profile, update it. I work one on one, and I also do group coaching for individuals, expats, executives who are looking to optimize their profile. So you can send me a message. My details are in the description with the link. You can get a profile audit, or you can get more thorough LinkedIn coaching like a VIP hour, work with me over several months. I'm also hosting a LinkedIn profile optimization workshop on August 11th. I also have that link in the description. So definitely invest in creating a robust LinkedIn profile even before you move to the other country, before you start your job search, so that you can impress the recruiters and get the job you want. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit like, and leave me a comment and let me know, have you added the cities or countries, locations that you want to find a job in? Thanks. Bye.